Hello guys, EU tablet Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, this version 4GB memory and 128GB internal memory, Wi-Fi version in the gray color. Okay. In complementation we have key for SIM slot documentary, adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. It's all complementation. Okay, device made of plastic. On the front side 11-inch display. On this side we have camera, speakers on this side, speaker, volume key, power keys, port Type-C, and slot for micro SD card for memory. Okay. Turn on device. Full HD plus resolution, IPS matrix. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have CPU MediaTek MT6785, 6+2 cores, and GPU Mali G76. Look results, CPU test results, and GPU test results. Okay, close this. Open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu benchmark score. Antutu benchmark score. And run the money game GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas works on the max graphic level, works good, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.